Hello, welcome back to another DIY video. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel on the bottom right hand corner. And we're going to be changing out these bottom fog light sills here. Mine is currently cracked. Don't know if you can see it. Not that big of a deal, but stuff like that kind of annoys me. So anyways, I'm going to be replacing it with an aftermarket one because it is a little bit cheaper. Again, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel on the bottom right hand corner, and I'll get started here in just a moment. Alright, so to pull this off, you actually don't need any tools. If you want to look at your old one down here, you just want to reference these two tabs. Right, actually I'll put it down. You'll notice these two tabs right here. These are secured into the bumper right there. So you want to give a soft tug right here. I'll show you here in just a moment. Here it is. I just usually get my fingers right here. As you're pulling it out, try to push it that way just a little bit. Watch this. You just want to see that? Comes right off. Just put this down. Yep, get off my fingers. Now you have access to your fog lights if you need to change that stuff out. And then you're just going to go ahead and get your replacement and then change it out. I'm going to close out the video. If you like this video, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel on the bottom right hand corner. If you'd like to support the channel, reference the About Me section. Thank you so much.